Now we're going to be setting our budget for our campaign. I have seen so many people spend way too much money right off the bat with Google Ads. What I suggest doing is start very small, because your first ad, even if you spend a lot of time on it, realistically, your first ad's not going to be very good. And there's going to be things that you can improve upon. So the whole purpose of running your first ad is really just to test it and to see how it performs and if it's worth putting more money into. So for our budget, look, Google, they're always going to tell us, look, spend all this money. They want us to spend $93 a day. What's that? $2,500 a month. On our first ad iteration, no, we're not going to do that. I'm going to set a custom budget, daily budget of maybe $25. Okay. So this is going to cost me $175 a week. You can do this a lot lower as well. It's estimating that we might have about 61 people per week clicking on our link, which is a conversion for us. And so that might get us some new customers. Okay. But I'm going to start small. I'm going to see if the ad's paying off, and then I can dump a lot of money into it. Don't spend too much money right off the bat. Man, I've seen people spend like $10,000 on their first Google ad and it doesn't convert. And it's like, well, you should have spent $100. You can learn the same thing. Okay. So start small, please.